Hey everybody, I got the body painted. I have a problem though, maybe somebody can help me. I hope you guys can see this, but there's a couple of goobers on this thing. The bottom of the door and the bottom of the sleeper. All the rest of it came up pretty good. A little dust mite on the other side of the door. I painted this 2 days ago. Recommendations as to what grit I should start with, or should I just sand the whole thing? Um, I mean, otherwise it's in a good paint. Um, Considering that I don't paint very well anyway. Um, Here's the rest of it. I like the color. Color came out good. Everything else came out good. Um, I really like it. It's a very easy kit. Really, it's too easy. But hey, you get what you got. Um, the only thing I have left to do is to put the interior in the cab, and I already have the interior done, as I showed in my last update, as you can see. I'm going to put the steering wheel in and the gear shift. Maybe you'll do something with the bed, paint it a different color. I don't know, you really can't see it when it's all in there. Of course, the one thing I don't like is these little slots in the back where the interior snaps into and on the side. I guess I'm going to have to give a little bit of the paint and paint over those where they protrude through. Kind of Mickey Mouse. Definitely we'll get a better kit next time. This is my first real truck kit that I've done. It's enjoyable. I'm having fun. Watching everybody else's build too. So if anybody can help me out, leave a comment and we'll talk to you later. I should have this pretty much wrapped up by next weekend. As long as I can get that little goober out of the side of the cab. I have some decals coming, white with black border stripes, from a place that Hunter Shelby recommended. So we'll see how those come out. So I'll need to put the Peterbilt decals on, and I have some naked ladies to put on the back mud flaps and paint those up. So bye for now. We'll get with you in the next update. Thanks. Bye.